is Kazaya. Her name's Kazia, and we are sisters. So guys, today if you're noticing, we have a big bowl here and we have 2 spoons because we're making slime. So right now, our ingredients that we're getting is this cool glitter. Yeah, and we're having this shaving cream so that we can make fluffy slime. Of course, we have this color glue, which is blue because my favorite color is blue. We have the activator, and we have this big, humongous Elmer's glue. Gallon?
No.
So, anyways, let's get started into the video. Okay, guys. So, first we're gonna start off by probably making slime with this. So let's open it. Yeah, Whoa, look at that, guys. It's blue.
It's food.
You wanna squeeze it with me?
Yeah.
Whoa! It's making weird noises. We want to get all of the slime so we can get. Yeah. Please. There's still more slime in there. Oh, ew. I got slime on me. I mean glue. I got glue on me. Please work. Okay. Oh, there's still more. Okay. It's a lot. There's a lot of them. I think we should add some glitter. Oh, she's that excited for glitter.
I'm excited.
Oh,
I'm gonna do that.
we got all different colors of glitter.
Because this is so big.
Yes,
Good.
we have glitter forever.
Just mix up.
I'm gonna try to open this.
Yeah, just try it. I just did a bit. Yeah. Try it.
Ow, shoot. It's hard. Don't do this. I'm just trying to get all of the glitter out. Okay.
Oh no, try. Did it? Yeah.
Whoa! Yo! So we have this glitter.
Yeah.
Stars. We have these green heart glitter. We have this red heart glitter. You can see that. We have pink heart glitter. And we have gold stars. And then we have these. These are a lot. You see that? Oh!
No.
I think we should go with blue. Do you think with me too? Do you think blue?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, we're going with blue. Mix with the slime. We're gonna add some. Oh, whoa. That was a lot. Okay, so now let's add the activator. Activate. Because we need to do this slime first. So yeah, we're just gonna activate it. And then we're gonna use the glue stick. So yeah, glue stick. My face. I'm trying to open this. It's not opening.
Yeah, it's open it.
Please open.
Yeah.
Please open. Okay. Let's add some activator. Oh, what? Why is it not coming out? There you go. Okay. Let's mix some.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come with the bowl. Wow. That
Whoa, it's a slime.
I think we need to add more because it's really not working. Whoa. Okay, I think that's enough. And let's mix. guys, it's working! It's working! It's actually working! I'm really happy! It's working, guys! Oh, first I'm gonna do this. Oh no, her spoon fell. Wow! Oh! She lost her spoon. She lost it. Okay, wait. Time to feel. Wow. No. Oh wow. That's a lot of glitter. Okay. We gotta keep mixing it. Please work. It's already working. It's just like done. Okay, wait. Let me feel it. Oh. Do I have to knead it?
Wow!
Ew. Okay, I think we should add a little bit of more activator. Guys, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's add some more activator because this thing is not working. Please.
Wow!
Okay, we added enough. Oh my god, it actually is working now. Guys. Feel it.
I want to wash my hands.
I think we need to knead this and wait until it's fully slimed. So it's gonna take pretty
My
long.
hands is going to
Look at that, guys. It's so sparkly.
It's sparkling. It's
It's really sparkly.
my hands.
We gotta knead the slime. This is also a step on how to make slime. You do have to get a little messy because you need to knead your slime.
I'm sorry.
Oh, guys.
Guys, you have to go to one side.
Here. And we finished kneading. So this is our finished slime result. Look at that, guys. And look at that too. It's really nice. So now, guys, we are gonna be making slime with this bad boy. And we're gonna make fluffy slime. It's gonna be really cool. Oh yeah. Shake that. Okay. Now let's get into it. Like a normal slime, there's a lid. Guys, do not do this. Don't do this. I can't open this. Oh, this is hard to open. It's not opening. Oh. No! The spoon. It's disgusting. It's okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna pour in the slime. Dun, dun, dun. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. We'll use that much for now. Okay. This much we'll use.
I'm gonna lift up.
It's pretty cool. Okay. Now,
Sparkly?
let's start off with this.
Yeah.
The phone. This is hard to open. Oh, this is hard. Oh, guys. Okay, let's add it in. Okay. Shake it in. We're doing so much slime. I think we're gonna fill it up. We added so much. Okay, now let's add some pink glitter. Okay, we're gonna add this. Wanna add it?
Yeah.
Can you add it?
Okay.
Come on, add it in. Guys, that looks so pretty. Okay, that was all of that. That is so pretty. I think we should try using one of these. Let's use the purple and pinkish.
Just you.
Guys, come on, look. Wow. Okay, guys, now let's mix. Okay, Bubba, come on, have it and mix. Guys, this actually looks really pretty. It looks pretty. It's very pretty. Okay, since we mixed it, now let's add some activator. Let's add a bit. A lot. This is really big.
That's my thing.
And now mix. Yo, it's actually working. Look at that, guys. It's becoming into slime. It's really cool. Okay, let's add a bit more. Let's circle it. Let's circle it. Okay, that's it. Now, let's mix it together. Look how big that is, guys. It's so big. I have to stand up for this. Wait. Okay. It's about to be into slime. That's really cool, guys. We're gonna make this into slime. Oh, she lost her. She lost her spoon. Okay, and we have a bit more. Okay. Whoa. I think we have to knead this now. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Okay, bye.